Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to create this Kylie Jenner inspired look. First, I'll start with moisturizing my face and I'm using Nivea Face and Body Cream. And now I'm using this color corrector by KYLIE number D34. I'm applying this under my eyes to hide the darker area and blending it. Now I'm using the LA Pro concealer on top of my eyelid before starting with my eye makeup. As Kylie has used very natural and warm tones for her eye makeup, so I'll be doing the same. For this I'm using Makeup Revolution eye palette. Now I'm just creating a warm contour crease line and blending it. I'm using Makeup Revolution highlight and contour palette and this one is one of my favorite, and it's highly pigmented and gives very natural and finishing glow. I'm using golden metallic eye shade to highlight the crease area of my eye and buffing it very well. Moving on to my brows, I'm taking L'Oreal Paris Brow Kit and I'm just going to start filling the certain gaps I have. I want to fill it up and make it very natural and give it a very strong look. Then I'm taking Makeup Studio Base in shade yellow to highlight the shape of my brow and under eye area and blending it very well. For my face, I'm using this PAC HD foundation as it gives very smooth finishing look and feels very light on my skin. I'm putting this foundation all over my face and now I'm taking my beauty sponge and buffing it in. I can always trust on this one. I know it's going to give me 100% flawless finish. I'm using this LA Pro concealer that I used before. For baking my face, I'm using Color Essence Loose Powder to lock my base and give it a matte finish. Again, I'm using my highlight and contour palette by Makeup Revolution to highlight and contour my face. Now I'm just brushing off the excess powder and highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm using this Maybelline Volume Express mascara and this is one of my favorites. Now I'm just filling the waterline as Kylie has done it like very lightly. And I'm just highlighting my cheekbones to give it very glossy and glam look. As everybody knows, Kylie loves highlighters. I'm just putting some eyelashes, very natural eyelashes I'm using. Just curling it again. And now I'm using this Lakme 925 Prime Lipstick in shade, I think, Rust Orange.